Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the blurry face edit on CapCut PC. So here I've already import my video, and if you guys want to blur only the face part or like a facial partial part of your video, you can do this. So first you need to go to effects and then click on the body effects and then find the cover ups, this one. Just click on that, and here you can see there is a feature called face mosaic, and just add it to your track. Okay, I'm going to add it for all clips like this, and then here you can adjust the range and also the size. Okay, for example, like this, and then when you play, the face part will blur like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.